When it comes to building great software, how you test is just as important as how you code. And picking the right web automation tool, that's a huge decision. It can seriously define your team's speed, quality, and hey, even their happiness. Today, we're stepping into the ring for a real title match. Sooner or later, every team faces this exact question. Are you going to go with the seasoned veteran, the one with unmatched flexibility? Or are you looking for a modern challenger, something built for pure speed and an amazing developer experience? This isn't just about a list of features, it's about a whole philosophy.
I mean, think about it. In today's world, we're shipping code constantly. We just can't afford to manually check every little thing every single time. Automated testing is our safety net, right? It's what makes sure that the new feature we just built doesn't accidentally break something old. It lets us move fast and, just as importantly, with confidence.
So in one corner, we have the undisputed champion, a tool that has literally defined web automation for more than a decade, Selenium. And in the other corner, we've got the challenger, the one that's been gaining a ton of popularity by completely rethinking how testing should work, Cypress. Let's see how they stack up. All right, first up, let's talk about the veteran, the go-to for countless organizations and the absolute powerhouse of test automation. Selenium has been around since 2002. I mean, think about that. It's mature, it's robust, and it's incredibly powerful. You should probably think of it like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for test automation. It's famous for being able to handle pretty much any testing scenario you can possibly throw at it. Okay, so to really get Selenium, you have to understand how it's built. Its WebDriver acts like a remote control. It sends commands over a network protocol to a browser driver, which then tells the browser what to do. This separation, this is the key to its biggest strength, but it's also the source of its most famous weakness, speed. Every single command has to travel over that network layer, and that introduces a tiny bit of lag that really adds up over time. So what does that remote control approach get you? Ultimate flexibility. Does your team code in Python or Java, C#? No problem. Need to test on Safari or, believe it or not, even Internet Explorer? Selenium has you covered. It plugs into a massive ecosystem of other tools and supports these really robust design patterns for building truly huge, enterprise-level test suites. But, and there's always a but, right? That flexibility comes at a price. Selenium isn't an out-of-the-box solution. It's really more like a box of high-quality parts that you need to assemble yourself. Yeah, to get a Selenium framework up and running, you've got to bring a few different pieces together. You need the main WebDriver library, you need the bindings for whatever programming language you're using, you need specific drivers for every browser you want to test, and you need a totally separate framework just to structure and run your tests. It's powerful for sure, but setting it up is a project in itself. And that complexity, well, it's exactly what opened the door for our challenger. Cypress saw what was going on and came into the ring with a totally different game plan. So if Selenium is that versatile Swiss Army knife, Cypress is more like a specialized, high-performance scalpel. It was built from the ground up specifically for modern JavaScript applications, with a laser focus on making testing faster, easier, and just plain more reliable for everyone involved. Now here's the absolute game changer. Unlike Selenium's remote control, Cypress actually lives inside the browser. Your test code and your application code are running in the exact same process. This gives it native access to everything, which completely gets rid of that network lag. But more importantly, it makes testing way more stable. Because Cypress knows exactly what your app is doing at any given moment, its tests are faster, more consistent, and way less likely to fail for those random flaky reasons that drive us all crazy. And that in-browser architecture is what makes the whole all-in-one package possible. It's got a test runner, an assertion library, mocking tools, everything's built right in. It automatically waits for things to appear, which solves a huge source of test flakiness. And features like time travel debugging and real-time reloads, they're designed to make writing tests feel less like a chore and more like a natural part of developing. So remember that whole shopping list of components we needed for Selenium? Well, Cypress takes a very different approach. Yep, that's it. For a JavaScript project, that one command is all it takes to get Cypress installed and totally ready to go. This simplicity is a huge part of its appeal and makes it incredibly fast to get started. All right, ding ding, we've met the fighters. Now it's time for the head-to-head breakdown. Let's get to the tail of the tape. When you lay it all out like this, the fundamental trade-off becomes crystal clear, doesn't it? Cypress's in-browser architecture makes it way faster, but it also limits it to JavaScript and a smaller set of browsers.
Selenium's WebDriver protocol is a bit slower, but it gives you that incredible flexibility with languages and browsers. Cypress is simple and bundled for developers, while Selenium is complex and modular, really targeting those dedicated automation engineers.
So, after all that, who wins? Well, the real answer is it totally depends on your fight. The best tool is always the one that's the right fit for your team and your project. You should absolutely have Cypress in your corner if you're building with tools like React, Angular, or Vue. If your developers are the ones writing the tests and you need that fast, reliable feedback right inside their workflow, Cypress is purpose-built for that. It's the clear choice for teams that just want an integrated, streamlined experience.
But you're going to want to stick with the champion, Selenium, when you need that raw, cross-platform power. If testing on Safari is a non-negotiable, Selenium is your only real option. If your automation team is full of Java or Python experts, it's the natural fit. For really complex stuff like tests that jump across multiple domains or browser tabs, and for building those massive long-term testing frameworks, Selenium's maturity and flexibility are still unmatched.
You know, this isn't a static competition. Both of these tools are constantly evolving, they're borrowing ideas from each other, and they're always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in web automation. At the end of the day, it really boils down to this single thought. Are you a specialized sprinter, or are you a versatile veteran? You choose Cypress for its speed and developer focus in the JavaScript world. You choose Selenium for its unmatched reach and flexibility across the entire enterprise landscape.
The thing is, the fight for the best testing framework is far from over. As our applications get more and more complex, the tools we use to test them will have to change too. So the real question is, what comes next? What features will define the next generation of automation champions? That's a story that's still being written.